Hi YouTube, and here today I'm going to cut the grass. One of those jobs we all hate. Today we're looking at the Champion 3.5 inch lawnmower. Had it a while with the Briggs and Stratton engine, if that's how you spell it. Comes together with a detachable box. Fold down. You just fold down that. Piece of storage. Neighbour over there is cutting the grass. Right there. See if we can get it going. That's been going all year, so I'll show you the you can see there's if you zoom in on that, just see the Champion engine 3.5. To start it, make sure there's some fuel in it. Bit of fuel in there, zoom in that. Press like so. There's different cutting heights on it, like that. Raise up the back, half foot. So like this. I'm going to just leave it on the first level. And it's a rotary, which means smoke out. Pause the video, we'll show you what it's like when it's finished. Hiya. Well, she's done a front cut. It's not bad, it's the first cut of the season. Remember, always use safety gear. Look like a Teletubby in these, don't I? I can't believe my anyway, so that's what she's done. As I say, first line cut, pretty good. Again, it's the first cut of the season. Yeah. So that's the Briggs and Stratton 3.5 Champion petrol lawnmower. Right, I'm off to empty this. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you like, subscribe, like, thumbs up, and remember, keep watching my channels. And remember, if it's weird or if it's out there, it'll probably be on my channel. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.